today we are going to do a very interesting topic of writing skills, that is picture composition. So let's begin it. What is a picture composition? Do you know what is a picture composition? A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or set of pictures. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentences. Now children, before we begin to do picture composition, we need to remember few points. Firstly, carefully observe the picture. The picture will be given to you. What you have to do? You have to observe the picture very carefully. Secondly, we ask questions to note down the answers or observation of these questions. We need to arrange the observation as points in a logical order. These points will help us to write meaningful sentences to form a composition. We also need to write a title to this composition based on the theme of the picture. Begin the paragraph away from the margin. So children, the last point. If in the question it is given, look at the picture and write a paragraph on it. So in this case, you have to begin the paragraph away from the margin. Understood, children? So let's do picture composition number 1. Children, in picture composition number 1, you have to look at the picture, read the questions carefully and answer the questions. Understood? Remember that you have to write answers in 1 or 2 sentences. So let's begin it. Now the picture you can see. Children, carefully observe the picture. Now the first question is, what is happening in the picture? Can you guess what is happening in the picture? Yes, the children are celebrating a birthday party. Now the second question. Whose birthday party is it? Now children, in this question, you can write any name. You can write your friend's name, you can write your brother's name, you can write your sister's name, any name you can write. I have written, it is Ria's birthday party. She is a girl. Now question number 3. How many candles are there on the cake? Now on the table, one cake is there. On the cake, how many candles are there? You have to count them and you have to write the answer. So the answer is, there are 7 candles on the cake. Now the question number 4. How many balloons are there? So children, you can see there are many balloons, many colorful balloons. So you have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, how many balloons are there? Yes, there are 9 balloons. Now question number 5. What are the children doing? So children, carefully observe the picture and tell me, what are the children doing? Yes, the children are dancing. Question number 6. How many gifts are seen on the table? Now on the table, you can see gifts are there. You have to count the number of gifts and you have to write the answer. So the answer is, there are 3 gifts on the table. So children, I hope that you have understood this. Please remember that you have to observe the picture, very carefully. Now the picture composition number 2. In this composition, you have to look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the help of the clues given. So let's do it. Now in the picture, you can see this is a picture of a bird. Children, which bird it is? Yes, it is the picture of a peacock. Very good. So the options are given here: long, India, peacock, rainy, feathers, crown. Now the question number 1. It is the picture of a dash. So which option is correct? Yes, this is a picture of a beautiful peacock. So peacock you will write here. Second, peacock is the national bird of dash. So children, peacock is the national bird of which country? Yes, peacock is the national bird of India. So India you will write here. Now it has a dash neck. So the neck, it has a long neck. So long you will write here. So the statement will be it has a long neck. Now the fourth one, it has a dash on its head. So on its head you can see what it is. Yes, it is a crown. So crown you will write here. So the statement will be it has a crown on its head. Now the question number 5th, it has colorful and long. So you can see what are these? These are feathers. It has colorful and long feathers. Now the 6th one, it dances in the dash season. So children, in which season peacock dances? Yes, in rainy season. So rainy will come here. So the statement will be it dances in the rainy season. So children, I hope that you have understood this. Now, what did you learn today? Let us recapitulate quickly. Picture composition is an exercise where you describe a picture by writing in words or meaningful sentences on it. Before you begin writing a composition, observe the picture carefully. Lastly, write the title of the composition based on the main theme of the picture. So children, I hope that you have understood this and you have enjoyed this video also. So your today's home assignment is you have to write both the composition, picture composition number 1 as well as picture composition number 2. No need to draw the picture, only write question and answers and fill in the blanks. Understood? Thank you. Bye bye and take care. Love you all.